Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the difference between RAM and ROM. RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, is a type of computer memory that is used to store data that is being actively accessed by the computer's processor. ROM, on the other hand, stands for Read-Only Memory, and it is a type of computer memory that is used to store permanent data that cannot be modified or erased. RAM is a volatile memory, meaning that it requires constant power to retain the data stored in it, whereas ROM is non-volatile and does not require power to retain data. RAM is much faster to read from and write to compared to ROM, making it ideal for storing data that needs to be accessed and modified frequently. ROM, on the other hand, is slower to read from and write to, since its main purpose is to store data that does not need to be modified. In terms of capacity, RAM is typically larger in size and offers more storage for temporary data, while ROM is usually smaller and stores data that needs to be permanently stored. Another key difference is that RAM is utilized by the computer's operating system and applications to store program instructions and data, while ROM contains firmware that is needed for the computer to boot up and initialize hardware components. RAM is also more expensive compared to ROM, which is why most computers have a larger amount of RAM and a smaller amount of ROM. Furthermore, RAM can be easily upgraded or replaced, whereas ROM is typically fixed and cannot be modified or upgraded by the average user. In conclusion, RAM and ROM are both types of computer memory, but they differ in terms of functionality, volatility, speed, capacity, purpose, and upgradability.